Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. I'm back with the Hosim X09. We're gonna do some more jumps because it was fun. Let's do this.
The fireworks begin. The river fills, the night chills. No one here will win. Higher, water, fire away. Higher, water, fire away. High on the waterline, hear the war cry.
Low voltage just kicked in now. Oh, the long walk. Alright guys, that's the Hosim X09. That's my fancy driving. I think I did it in. Let's take a close look at it here. I'll take the body off and you can see what happened. My fancy throttle control with this thing in the air. I tumbled it hard. It just disconnected again. That's another problem. Hosim has to get rid of this extra connector. Did all these adapters with this extra weight. Pulls right out. Let's take a look at what I did to it. Which one is it? That one right there. See that drive unit? It's done from my fancy driving. Mind this shutting down. I think it's on low voltage cutoff. I can't shut it off. Yeah, it's on low voltage cutoff. Steers only working. Alright guys, that's it. I bashed this thing hard as anything. It's a tough truck. Other than that brake, I think my fancy driving, you've seen all the tumbles, it was bad. I don't think anything would have survived that. Anyhow guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time. Steve here, Shen RC. Later.